Good day. I'm Chloe Sofia Vergara from BSN1Y3M6B, and this is my final Retdom video, including the hot and cold compress and the postmortem care. First, you need to identify the patient. Next is to gather all the equipments you need, and then perform hand hygiene and wear PPE if needed, such as face mask, face shield, gloves, and goggles. Next procedure is to ask permission and explain to the significant other that you are going to perform postmortem care and ask the significant other if they wish to remain inside the room during the procedure. After that, provide privacy and remove all sheets, blankets, and the gown from the patient. Remove also any drains and tubes from them such as IVs and Foley catheters and heart monitors. Close the patient's eyes and mouth. Give the patient bed bath like you would if the patient was still alive. Just because if they can't feel anything doesn't mean you shouldn't be thorough or should be extra rough on them. Next is to put cotton balls on patient's closed eyes, in the ears, and in the outer ear, and secure each with a tape. Secure the patient's jaw with a cravat. After doing so, ask the family option to view or not to view the patient and accompany them as they do so. Cover and secure the patient with a blanket or a body bag and then apply the name tag. And lastly, remove all the gloves and materials and then do hand hygiene. Now let's move on to the hot and cold compress. First, you need to identify the patient and introduce yourself to the patient. Also, perform hand hygiene and wear PPE if needed. Provide privacy. Gather all your materials. Next is to make sure expose only the area with inflammation or injury. Apply underpad to avoid any leaks. And then apply cold compress to help your body to relieve some pain inflammation, muscle soreness, and spasm, as well as it soothes and heal your body by increasing blood circulation to store areas also. All the data that will be collected. Next is the hot compress. Make sure to apply another set of towel to avoid burn. Hot compress offers several benefits, primarily focusing on pain relief and muscle relaxation. Additionally, hot compress increasing blood flow to the area, which can help reduce pain, relax muscles, and improve your joint mobility. Lastly, don't forget to remove your gloves and PPE and do hand hygiene and document all the procedure.